Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download from Dropbox. Now first of all, go to a web browser of your choice, and then what you have to do is simply search on dropbox.com and it will show you this home page. If you haven't signed into the account, simply sign into the account and you will be redirected to the page like this. Now what you have to do is scroll down, and under suggested from your activity you will see your file. In order to download the file, simply click on the file, right? And it will send you something like this. It will open you your file, and if it's a text file, it will show you something like this. In order to download, simply tap on simply click on this download button at the above, and you can see these options. Now what you can do is simply download it to the desktop or anywhere you like. After that, simply click on save, right? And it will be downloaded, and go to the desktop again. Check if it's downloaded or not, and there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Comment on your thoughts and